In this video, we will solve rational equations by cross multiplication, and we will solve two problems. This right here will be the first problem, and this will be the second problem. And in both of these problems, we are solving for x. So let's get started with the first problem. So in order to solve for x using cross multiplication, we multiply 5 times 4x plus 5, and we set that to equal x minus 3 times 3. So this cross is equal to this cross. So let's do that. So 5 times 4x plus 5 is equal to. So 5 times 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 times x minus 3. So 3 times x minus 3. So 5 times 4x is 20x. 5 times 5 is 25. Is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And so we're going to want to have x's on one side and constants like the numbers on the other side. So 20x minus 3x is 17x is equal to minus 9 minus 25. That would be minus 34. So if we divide by 17, we divide by 17. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. And we simply box in the answer. And if you wanted to check, you could plug in negative 2 for x for both of these equations, and the result will be the same. And now we will solve the second problem. So we're also going to use cross multiplication. So 3 times 2 is equal to x minus 3 times 1. And we want to solve for x. So 3 times 2, this cross right here, is equal to 1 times parentheses x minus 3. So this cross right here. So x minus 3. So we would get 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 1 times x, 1 times negative 3, obviously x minus 3. And we want to solve for x. So we do plus 3 here, plus 3 here. Therefore, x is equal to 9. And now we can check even. So if I was to plug in 9 for x, we get 3 divided by 9 minus 3, so that would be 6. 3 divided by 6 is 1/2. And so that's correct. And that's all we need to do for these two problems.